Is it so hard?
How to create a natural to bold eye makeup look with the Dior Backstage Eye Palette Cool Neutral. For a natural eye look, first apply the primer all over the eye. Then use the matte pink shade all over the eyelid and sculpt.
Scratching and crawling along the floor to touch you.
For a medium eye makeup look, apply the shimmer purple shade on top on the outer corner of the eye. Make sure to blend. Then use the shimmer lilac shade in the inner corner of the eye. And again, blending is key. For a bold eye makeup look, use the matte plum shade right under the eyes. Then apply the silver highlighter in the inner corner of the eye. Blend the makeup under the eye. There are many ways to use this easy-to-work neutral eyeshadow palette.